Hey guys, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? So I just had a scary experience. In my apartment, I left my door unlocked, which, let me start from the beginning. There's a coffee shop down here. I'm like, man, I feel like a coffee, just a small coffee, decaf Americano. I'm like, oh, I don't have any cash. I left my wallet up there. So I go up there and the door wasn't open, but I left it unlocked. So when you close your door, there's a little lock sign on the keyless lock where you press and then it locks the door from the inside. And I didn't do that. So for the past hour and a half, when I've been down here walking around, again, my door wasn't open, it was unlocked. And again, super secure and safe area, but the 1 in a million chance someone could have like knocked on my door and said, hey, do you have any milk, or do you have any sugar, or can I borrow an egg? Whatever they would say at international, global, galactic headquarters. So the first thing I did was look for my laptop, and it was there. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family, and don't forget to lock your doors. Love y'all. Bye-bye.